Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome back to another review. Guys, today we're reviewing a money-making application called mGamer. Now, something that makes mGamer unique in the sense of money making for applications is the fact that you can actually earn money through surveys, offers, and playing games. Now, I can always appreciate a money making application that has such variety. I do hope you enjoy the video. Please remember to hit like and subscribe if you did. Let's kick this review off. Something that is unique about mGamer is the fact that you can actually cash out not only PayPal, but you can also cash out in-game currency as well for some of the most popular mobile games on the market at the moment. It's very interesting to me, everyone, because there's not many applications that actually will pay you in in-game currency. For today's review though, I will be testing out the PayPal currency option. Now, something you have to keep in mind as well, depending on what country you actually live in, these cash out options might vary. As I said, here in Australia, these are the options that I was given, but in your country, you might be given something completely different. Fun fact, I actually have reviewed mGamer in the past, but I thought I'd give it another try to see if anything's really changed on the application and to see if it's still paying people. Now, mGamer has various types of activities that you can actually complete as well to earn coins. These coins are the in-game currency that you need to collect to actually cash out on mGamer. Ideally, I was aiming to cash out 2 times to make sure both the payments actually hit my PayPal account. So that's what you'll be seeing on today's review, guys. I roughly needed to collect around 63,000 coins or so to get to the target cash out that I wanted of around $7. My goal was to try and collect that money as fast as possible with all the options available that mGamer allowed me to actually complete. Something that I really love about mGamer is the absolute massive choices of options to earn money through. So we're not talking just 1 or 2 survey providers or offer providers. Somehow mGamer has managed to assemble this huge list of different type of providers to give you guys different money making opportunities. So for providers for surveys, I had like 6 or 7 different ones to choose from, and the same thing goes for the offers as well. Funny enough, there is also a play and get paid section. So this is the section where you play games for a certain number of minutes and they pay you a certain number of coins. Of course, I actually did not try this out last time on the previous video because it wasn't available to me. But thankfully now I was actually able to play the pay per minute system. So that really did help out my money making efforts on mGamer. The thing is, depending on your country, it might not be available to you. So with these money making applications, it's literally based on different countries, you'll have different outcomes, which is something I don't really like. I feel like money making applications are so limited these days, but it is also nice to find legitimate money making apps, of course. So when I do find some, I will still review them. Now, not only can you earn coins through completing surveys or playing games or completing offers, this application actually has different types of actual competitions as well, where you can play games and enter into like some sort of leaderboard competition situation, or you can actually enter a lotto. Now, I don't really care too much about lottos, everyone. I never ever win lottos. But for the people that might want to enter these lottos, you have the choice to on mGamer. Now, as I said, I really stuck to completing surveys and actually playing the games per minute section. I found that the most enjoyable for me. Now, if you are to complete offers though, you can actually earn so many coins, it's ridiculous, everyone, through the offer section. And the thing is about this offer section as well, is that it's actually multi-tiered, which is very cool to see. What I mean by multi-tiered is that you might have an offer that has 10 different ways to actually earn coins in it. So let's say you only complete 1 or 2 levels in an application, you still have 8 other levels of possibility to earn coins through. It's a really cool concept, and I hope that more money making applications will actually involve this in their apps. but who knows what's going to happen. Now, of course, we really cannot go into mGamer expecting to make tons of cash, everyone. Again, this is a very simplistic money-making application where they will reward you a certain amount of money for the hours that you dump into the application, okay? This is no get-rich-quick app or anything like that. You will need to dedicate hours to earn a couple of dollars. That's just how these real applications work, which is, of course, what we're used to here on the channel. So that's why it takes me so long pretty much to make these videos, because I have to try and get payment proof and go through all the hoops and loops of each application. So again, thank you everyone for being patient with this channel. I'll try and make videos as much as I can, but it does take some time. With the pay and play section, where the application will reward me for each minute I spend in a game, I noticed that it of course gets harder to earn coins the longer you play an application for. Now, to put it into some sort of perspective here, let's say I want to play a game like, I don't know, Clash of Clans or something. It might tell me, okay, if you play Clash of Clans for 1 minute, we'll give you 300 coins. And then I play the app for 1 minute, but then it would say, okay, now I want you to play Clash of Clans for 5 minutes and we'll give you 350 coins. Now, what ends up happening is the time that is needed to play these applications increases greatly, while the reward really doesn't increase that much for the time you're investing into it. So pretty much the scheme of this is they don't want you to play the same app over and over for long periods of time. They want you to actually start installing multiple applications, which I did on mGamer. I installed many applications to try and earn as many coins as I could. Obviously, each application would reward me with different amount of coins though, so that's something to keep in mind here as well, everyone. As I said, you can't go into mGamer expecting to get rich. Same concept applies for the surveys. Since I had so many survey options, I did go through various different survey providers with different coin amounts for completing each different survey. Again, the variety is amazing here on mGamer. It's just sometimes I feel like, you know, with surveys, getting disqualified is a massive pain, and it's annoying to complete a survey up to the end and then to get disqualified. So that's something you have to keep in mind. If you want to go down the survey route, you'll have plenty of options, but you risk being disqualified. Simple as that. Same concept that goes to any survey application out there. Now, to get to the cashing out section, I was able to actually earn around 63,000 coins in about 5 to 6 hours of constantly using mGamer. Now, this is me completing surveys and actually playing a majority of the earn per minute section of mGamer. So 6 hours or so for about $7. It's a pretty hard toss up between, is that really worth it or not? Ultimately, I just wanted to make sure that mGamer is still paying the players. And what I found is that after verifying my mobile number and waiting another day to cash out, because you can only cash out once per day, mGamer did pay me within 2 days of those cash out requests, which is awesome to see. So if you guys are willing to dedicate the time to earn this small amount of money, then mGamer is the application for you. Now, of course, I feel like there are probably easier ways of earning money with other survey applications, which you can find on my channel, of course, but I have no complaints. I know for some people out there, about 6 hours of time for $7 really wouldn't be worth it. Again, depending on your country, it might be. So the choice is yours. Either way, thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you all in 1 to 2 days. See you around, everyone.